Hello and welcome to a brand new series Databricks Zero to Hero. I am super excited. We are going to cover a lot of things in this series. Let me just go ahead and show you the agenda for the series. So, what we will cover in this whole series? We are going to start with the architecture of Databricks. We are going to understand what Databricks is and how it is designed. We are going to set up Databricks on Azure. We are going to understand what is Data Lakehouse, what is Unity Catalog, and we are going to look some of the offerings for data engineering, which are notebooks, DLT, which are basically Delta Life Tables, jobs and workflows, autoloaders. For data analyst persona, we are going to cover on SQL warehouses and queries and dashboards. We are also going to look into CI/CD with Databricks. We are going to set up Git and DevOps, also with Databricks CLI and API. And we are also going to check out the serverless offerings and the benefits of serverless, what Databricks provide. And in the end, we are going to do some cost optimization and some cost analysis for the Databricks platform. Now, what will you gain from this whole series? You'll gain enough knowledge on Databricks. You can even attempt Data Engineering Associate certification after completion of the series. You will have enough understanding on all the tools and products that Databricks offers. Now, what are the prerequisites? First of all, you should know the basics of Apache Spark, PySpark to be better. You should know the basics of Spark streaming. You should know SQL and some knowledge on Python. Most important thing is you need to subscribe this channel, like and share the videos as much as possible. And let me show you some of the resources that you can refer for PySpark and SQL streaming. You can go ahead and check out this channel Ease with Data on YouTube. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see a lot of playlists. The most important are Spark streaming with PySpark and PySpark Zero to Hero. You just go ahead and check out the whole playlist. It covers from basic, which is from introduction, till advanced performance optimization. And same thing with streaming. You will find a lot of useful resource here for streaming. Now, I am super excited with this series. Hope you are also excited to learn Databricks. So, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, keep sharing.